In honor of Hindi Diwas, let's convey the beauty of our language in every way. A tapestry of words, vibrant and diverse, Hindi, our treasure, in which we immerse. With alphabets like jewels, it does shine in the hearts of millions, a language divine. From the Vedas to modern prose, Hindi's story through time steadily flows. In its script, stories of heroes are told, epics and legends, both ancient and old. It's a language of love, of laughter and tears, resonating through the passing years. Through its verses, we express our emotion, a tool of unity, our linguistic devotion. From Kashmir's peaks to Kanyakumari's shores, Hindi's melody in every heart soars. In Hindi, we find our cultural root, a language that's vibrant, a language that's cute. On this Hindi Diwas, let's all unite to celebrate our language, so pure and bright. It's a reminder of our rich heritage's song. In Hindi, our identity remains strong. So let's cherish this gift, so wonderfully grand, Hindi, the language of our beloved land.